IRS Tax Refund Update 2021, the last update of the year. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back. In today's update, as always, we are going over the latest numbers reported on the irs.gov website on the amount of tax returns and amended tax returns that are still waiting to be processed. We are also going to cover missing third stimulus check, missing child tax credit payments, and IRS investigations. All right. But before we begin with any of that, as always, make sure you're checking out the child tax credit playlist and the regular tax refund playlist pin in the comment section, as well as in the description box for all of your updates and loads of helpful tutorials. Make sure you check out the last tax refund update where I showed you a full tutorial on how you can locate these numbers for yourself as well if you choose to do so. Of course, I will continue to update you on these numbers. All right. But before we begin, again, make sure you're checking out that playlist. Now on to where is your refund. This information is being shared from irs.gov, and that is where you can locate it as well. Now the IRS is reporting service outage effective December 24 through January 3rd. The service on the irs.gov website will be unavailable from about 1 a.m. December 24 to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on January 3rd for planned maintenance. And the IRS employees will be out also for the holidays. So make sure you get everything you need done. If you need to check your account, print your transcript, any documents, informations you need off that website to do your taxes early, make sure you get it done before December 24. All right. Now let's recap the last update for the tax refunds, which was December 14th. At that time, the numbers were at 6.7 million unprocessed individual returns. Now, December 20th, this week's update, the numbers has decreased to 6.2 million unprocessed individual returns, and that does include 2020 returns with errors and those that require correction due to the recovery rebate credit amount, or if you use your 2019 income to calculate your earned income tax credit and additional child tax credit. So the numbers decrease. Please let me know in the comment section or share with others if you did receive your tax refund with those decreased numbers. Now on to the amended tax returns. Last week, the numbers were at 2.6 million unprocessed forms 1040X. Now this week, the amended tax returns, the numbers also decreased to 2.4 million unprocessed forms 1040X. Please let us know if you did receive your amended tax return refund. Now the IRS is reporting they are taking much longer than the normal 6 weeks to complete your amended tax return, and that is why so many of you are still waiting. Make sure you're checking the where is my amended return on the irs.gov website for the status of your amended return, as well as for your regular tax refund. Check the WMR for your status. Now on to the economic impact payments, the third stimulus check. All third economic impact payments must be issued by December 31st. So if you haven't received your third stimulus check, you still have time to receive it by the end of this month. The IRS will be mailing out notice 1444-C to all who receive the third economic impact payment. You should keep this letter with you for when you file your taxes, your 2021 taxes. You do not want to make any mistakes with these numbers to delay your 2021 tax refund. Now, if you didn't get the third stimulus check, you can claim the 2021 recovery rebate credit. You may be eligible to claim the credit on your 2021 federal income tax return if you didn't get the third economic payment or you receive less than the full amount. Now, in early 2022, the IRS will send you letter 647 to the address they have on file for you, confirming the total amount of the economic payment plus any plus-up payment that you receive. Make sure you keep these letters so you can accurately calculate your 2021 rebate, and you don't want your tax return to be flagged for any error. So make sure you get these numbers right. Don't file your taxes until you have these letters to compare the numbers accurately. Now, moving on to missing advanced child tax credit payments. You can also claim the full child tax credit payment on your 2021 tax return if you have not received your December payment or any of your other missing months. You know you have until the end of December to still receive your December child tax credit payment. And hopefully all of you that are still waiting on those payments, get those payments before the holidays. Maybe yours will come in the mail this time around. The IRS could have had a glitch in the system and switch you from direct deposit to mail. So hopefully you will get it. But if you don't receive it by the end of December, and all eligible families who did not receive any advanced child tax credit payments can claim the full amount of the child tax credit on your 2021 federal tax return when you file it. And this includes families who don't normally file a tax return. Families who receive advance payments will need to file a 2021 tax return and compare the advanced child tax credit payments that you receive in 2021 with the amount of child tax credit to properly claim this credit on your return. Again, the IRS will be sending out a letter for this as well, which will be letter 6419 in January of 2022 with the total amount of advanced child tax credit payments that you receive in 2021 to compare the numbers to claim the missing payments that you did not receive. All right. Now on to the IRS criminal investigation. The IRS is reporting that they investigate and assist with prosecution of various types of fraudulent activity ranging from misuse of COVID relief funds to phony cryptocurrency investment schemes. All right. They are reporting that they investigated approximately 550 tax and money laundering cases nationwide tied to COVID relief efforts, totaling more than 820 million. These investigations covered a broad range of criminal activity, including fraudulently obtaining loans, credits, and payments meant for American workers, families, and small businesses. So if you did receive any of these COVID relief, be careful because the IRS is investigating these cases. All right. And that brings us to the end of this tax refund update. I am praying that all of you who have not received your tax refund, your amended tax refund, that you will get it before the end of this year or early for the new year, and praying for changes in 2021 that we all get our tax refund on time, just like we pay our taxes on time. We want our tax refund on time in 2022. Thank you so much for supporting me in my YouTube journey, and I will continue to do the research and share as much information that I can find to help you in your tax journey. And God's willing, we will make it to 2022. Bye-bye, everyone.